Hello everyone, welcome to Siva Nag recipes. With me Siva Nag. Today I am going to prepare stuffed brinjal curry with the right measurements. Come on, let's get started and check out the recipe.
Today we are going to prepare stuffed brinjal curry. This curry can prepare in different variations. But if you follow my recipe with the same measurements, you will get perfect stuffed brinjal curry, which we follows in our restaurants. Take a frying pan and add 15 grams of dry coconut pieces. Add 10 grams of coriander seeds. Add 15 grams of peanuts. Now add 5 grams of cinnamon sticks, cloves and cardamom. Add 5 grams of fenugreek seeds. Add 5 grams of jeera. Add 10 grams of white sesame seeds. Fry it on a low flame and blend it into a smooth powder. Once the blending is done, take this powder into two separate bowls. One bowl is for stuffing, one bowl is for curry. For brinjal stuffing, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add required amount of salt. Add required amount of red chili powder. Add turmeric powder. Add little amount of water and combine it and make a tight mixture and keep it aside for stuffing. Cut the brinjal in the middle into 4 equal parts and drop it in a hot oil one by one. Fry these brinjals in a low flame. Transfer these brinjals into a separate plate. Once the brinjal get fried, now stuff the mixture and take it into a plate. For preparing curry, take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, add mustard seeds, add dry red chilies, add curry leaves. Take one big size onion and make it into a paste, add it into a pan and fry it on a low flame. Once the mixing is done, add remaining powder into the pan. Add required amount of salt. Add required amount of red chili powder. Mix everything. Now add tamarind pulp into the curry. Combine everything. Now add stuffed brinjals and cook it for 5 minutes on a low flame. Once cooking is done, now switch off the flame and transfer this curry into serving bowl. You can serve this curry with hot rice and chapati. In tomorrow's episode, I am going to present cabbage patties. It's a snack recipe. When we upload videos, for getting instant notification, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.